Hello everyone, welcome back to WP Kitchen Tech. Today I am going to dive in a world of kitchen gadgets beyond your imagination and enter your life easy technologies. Introduction, a world of kitchen gadgets beyond your imagination. Hook the audience with a relatable problem. Do you ever feel like your kitchen tools are holding you back from creating the meals you imagine? Introduce the concept of hidden kitchen heroes. Gadgets that are lesser known but can significantly enhance your cooking. Set the stage. Today, we're uncovering 5 essential gadgets that will revolutionize your culinary experience. Unveiling the first hero, the spiralizer. Showcase the spiralizer in action, creating beautiful veggie noodles. Highlight its versatility, from zucchini noodles to carrot ribbons. It opens up a world of healthy and creative meal options. Emphasize the ease of use and time-saving benefits, making healthy eating effortless. The next level of convenience, the immersion blender. Dive into the power of the immersion blender, demonstrating its capabilities for blending soups, sauces, and smoothies right in the pot. Showcase its versatility, from creating silky smooth soups to effortlessly blending sauces for pasta. It streamlines your culinary process. Talk about the advantages over traditional blenders. Less cleanup, saves valuable counter space, and allows for precise control over textures. Unlocking flavor and texture, the microplane grater. Demonstrate the microplane's power to zest citrus fruits, grate cheese, and even shaved chocolate. Emphasize the difference it makes in flavor and texture. Compare traditional graters. Show how it transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces, elevating your dishes. Taking food prep to new heights, the food processor. Introduce the food processor as a multitasker for chopping, slicing, dicing, and shredding. Show its effectiveness in speeding up meal prep, saving you time and effort. Highlight its potential for creating unique dishes, from homemade hummus to perfectly chopped salsa. Conclusion, level up your kitchen game. Recap the benefits of each gadget, highlighting how they elevate your cooking, encouraging viewers to consider these hidden heroes for their own kitchens. End with a call to action. Share your favorite kitchen gadgets and join the culinary revolution.
Hi, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Kineful Barbecue Grill Scraper, great pool gadgets for stocking stuffers. Ideal Christmas gifts for men, women, dad, father, mom, who have everything. Easy distributor, great removes grease, charred meat, and debris. Made your grill smooth and clean surface. Lightweight and portable, freestyle scraper and Christmas box gift set. Designed for a wide variety of grills, fit almost every grill. May the blessings of peace, goodwill, and happiness be with you at Christmas and always. Warm and crispy, just got an upgrade with the Oster touchscreen toaster. The responsive interface lets you choose from 6 toast shade settings and 3 preset functions. Just add your favorite bread, select the setting of your choice, pull the lever, and let the precision toasting cycle begin. The digital countdown progress bar lets you know how much time is left of the toasting cycle. Not sure if you picked the right setting shape? It's okay. With a quick check lever, you can check your toasting progress without interrupting the cycle. Now the perfect toast is just a touch away with the Oster touchscreen toaster.